Hello friends, welcome back to another edition of Java Learning. Today our topic is a string program, Anagram. You have to enter two strings and to check whether they are anagram or not. Two strings are said to be an anagram if we can form one string by arranging the characters of another string. I'll take an example. For example, race and care. Just see the letters RACE. They are all present here but at different position. R is here, ACE. Same thing with wolf, flow, silent and listen, coronavirus and carnivorous, dad and ad, and so on. So let us go to our Java program. So this is my BlueJ window. I have imported scanner class. This is my class anagram main method. Created an object of the scanner class. I'm asking for two strings getting stored in S1 and S2, and the entered string is getting converted into lowercase, right? First string is getting stored in S1, second string is getting stored in S2, printing both the strings. Then I'm trimming the spaces on either side of S1 and finding out the length for exact length. Same thing for string 2 also, but the length is getting stored in L2. This variable t is playing an important role. I'll tell you why. This character variable will extract character one at a time from string 1, and this will extract character one at a time from string 2. Now for anagrams, the length has to be equal. If L1 is equal to L2, we'll perform this block. And if the length they are not matching, then it will print two strings are not an anagram. Suppose I am entering two strings. The first string is and the second string is dad. They are anagrams. So this is my logic for anagram. You are reading the first string, okay, that is ADD, 0th index, 1 and 2. Remember that. Now you are extracting from 0th index and storing it in CH1. What you are extracting? A. Right? Now t turns 0 every time you check CH1 in S2. Okay, this t will turn 0 every time you check whatever you have taken out in CH1 in S2. Okay? Now you read the second string. At 0th index you have what? D. Now you're checking, is CH1 is matching with CH2? No. So this block will not be executed. So it will go to this inner loop again, and J would be right now 1. So from 1 index it will extract what? A. Now is it matching with CH1? Yes, it is matching. Okay, so T will be what? 1, and it will come out of the inner loop. Inner loop means here, and you're checking, is T is equal to 0? No, because T had 1. So you go back to the outer loop. Outer loop's value, let me write it here. Right now it is 1. Initially it was 0, now it is 1. 1 is less than L1, that is 3, yes. So from index 1 you extract what? Index 1 you have D. So you are extracting D. Now again T turns 0. You are reading again the second string. J initially is what? 0. So from 0th index of dad, yes, it is taking out D. Now is CH1 is matching with CH2? Yes, it is matching. So T1 is what? 1, and it is coming out of the loop, right? Out of the loop means here you are coming out. Is T is equal to 0? No, because T was 1. So you go back to the outer loop. Outer loop, here you come, and I right now is what? 2. Is 2 less than L1? That is 3. Yes. So from second index, again you are extracting what? D. Again T turns 0. J is again 0 because you are reading the second string again. At 0th index, what you have? D. Okay. 0th index, what you have? D. Is it matching with CH1? Yes, it is matching. So what will happen? T will be 1 and it will come out of the inner loop. Is T is equal to 0? No. So what will happen? It will go back to the outer loop. And outer loop would be right now 3. Is 3 less than 3? No. So you come out here. Is T is equal to 1? Yes, T was the 1. So it will print 2 strings are anagram, right? So let us compile and run the program. I'll take 3 different input. Okay, first one, dad and add. So dad and add is getting printed and it is printing 2 strings are anagram. Clear it. Now let me run with same length but not anagram. Cat and rat. Cat and rat is getting printed. 2 strings are of same length but not an anagram, right? Clear. And then you run again. Suppose cat and the second string is cattle, different length. So it is printing 2 strings are not an anagram. I hope all of you have understood the code. Just go through. I have given comment for all the important lines. Try it in your computer and do comment for this particular program. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep learning from E-SHIKSHA. Thank you.